Hello, welcome to Digital Stream tutorial. My name is Christian from Digital Stream. In this very tutorial, we're going to be continuing from where we left off in our previous tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we actually talked about string length in PHP. We also talked, which is the SCR length. Then we also talked about the SCR word count in PHP. In this very tutorial, we're going to be talking about more string functions in PHP. We also have the string reverse and then the string position. So you can actually reverse a string in PHP by simply typing the str ref. So let's quickly jump into this. I'm going to be creating a variable called word reverse. I don't know if I spelled this correctly. I just hope you understand what we are doing. So the function for this is strref and then in the brackets just one parameter is actually required, and the parameter is the string itself. So we have a string up here that is called string length, that is called length, sorry. So I'm just going to copy it and then place inside of this, paste. Alright, so right here, immediately after the this very echo, I just want to, or should I wipe this off? No need. So let me just concatenate a HTML break so that we can actually run this on the next line. Alright, so strref length. Okay, so let me echo out echo string. So sorry, the reverse of this string is this. Sorry. So right immediately after the quotation sign, the double quotation sign, we are going to be concatenating the word reverse itself. So I'm going to say concatenate, and then for those of you just joining us, we've actually talked about concatenation in our previous episode of this complete PHP course, so I ensure you check it out on my YouTube channel to actually follow along. So let me just paste this. Alright, so what we are actually doing here is we call the function, we created a variable called word reverse, and then we call the function right here called strref, and then we actually included the length, the word itself, which is welcome to Digital Stream tutorial, which was actually assigned to a variable called length. So we're actually calling that string, that sentence itself here, by calling the variable itself. Alright, so down there we now echo the reverse of the string is this, which is the word reverse, which is exactly what we have up here. So let's just quickly save this and run on our browser to see the results we'll be getting from it. So, alright, so down here the reverse of the string is this. So as you can see, it's complete speaking another language entirely, meaning it just took the string we have up here, we have in our code down there, welcome to Digital String, and then reverse it to actually give us the output we are seeing up here. Alright, so that is it for string reverse. And then we also have the string position, str pos. So let's also do something like actually this will actually require two parameters. Unlike every other string function we actually run there, they all required one parameter. So what we are actually going to be doing is just to echo this out directly instead of creating a variable for it. We're going to say echo str pos and then brackets. So the first parameter up here is going to be the string itself. So we want to say this is the string itself. Alright, so outside there in the next parameter we're going to put comma space. So right here we're going to the word we actually want to check the position. So the str post actually checks the position of a particular word in your string. So we're going to use a single quotation, and then we want to check for the position of itself in our string. So we want to say it self. So what is actually going to happen here is this string, this function is actually going to run, and then search inside our string here to check. Okay, so it's going to run inside this very string to check if this word, to check the position of this word in the string, and then echo it out to us. So let's save this. And before we do that, we also want to concatenate a break here. So I'm just going to be copying this. Sorry, let me copy this rightly. Copy. Then down here, I just want to concatenate a break. It's just an HTML break so that we can actually run this code on the next line. So let's save this, and then head back here, and then refresh. So the string is actually in on line 19. So what if you go back here, and we actually want to do this ourselves? We want to say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Oh, sorry. So let's see, let's check it one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So exactly this itself is actually on line 19 of our string. So that's exactly what the str position does for us. It goes in and checks the position of our string and then echo it out. Okay, so finally for this very tutorial, we're going to be talking about the replace function in PHP. And the replace function in PHP, unlike every other functions in our string, unlike every other string function in PHP, they all required one parameter, but the replace function in PHP will be requiring 3 parameters. So we're just going to be using variable to work this out. So let's create the first variable. We want to create the first variable called find. Find is equals to a string called welcome. Sorry, welcome, and then replace a dollar sign. Replace. I'm just using replace. I'm using this. These are my choose words. You can actually use any word you actually want to use for your project. Okay. So then we want to replace word with tutorial. All right. So right now, what we've actually done is we've created a find and then we've created a replace. So this find is going to run through our code or our string to look for welcome, and then as soon as it finds welcome, it replaces welcome with tutorial. So we actually want to make use of the string we first created up here called welcome to digital stream. So we want to make use of this welcome to digital stream. So what it's going to do is going to find welcome inside there and then replace it with tutorial. Okay, so let's quickly get this started. So the function is let's say dollar sign SQL. I'm just using SQL because it's more of a query. You can actually use anything you want. So I want to say so first of all, the first parameter is going to be find. So I'm going to say dollar sign find comma space, and then replace with dollar sign replace comma space, and then which the string you actually want to replace, which in our case is dollar sign length. Okay, so if I echo this out now, I'm gonna be saying echo I think I'm having some error messages over here. We have forgotten to insert the function, the string replace function, which is str underscore replace. And also remember, we also made a little error here which I just corrected. This has to be inside a bracket. This has to be in a bracket. So find welcome and ensure you actually remember up here our welcome starts with capital letter. It's actually case sensitive. Our welcome starts with capital letter. So if you for any reason come down here and find with a small letter, it will actually return error. It will return false because this is actually a small letter. So ensure this is actually a capital letter. If you're using capital letter, if you're using small letters, also ensure it's actually small letters. So str replace is going to find welcome in. You're going to find welcome and then replace it with tutorial in this string we have over here. So first of all, to check this out, I think I should do away with this other. I think I should actually do away with this because it's going to make our project looks bulky. So let me just delete this so we can maintain a simple looking project. Okay, alright, so let's get this rolling. Let me also get this off. Alright, so down here what I actually want to do is to echo out the find and replace function. First of all, I want to echo out this first to show us the main string, and then I'll echo out this to show us the replace function. So I want to say echo, and then I want to attach a string to this. This is the this is the main string. Sorry. Then outside I want to concatenate the main string, which is length. So I want to say $length, and then I also want to concatenate a break, HTML break arrow. Alright, then get this closed. Alright, so on the next line I want to echo the replace string. So I want to say this is the replace string. So all of your space, and then I want to concatenate our SQL up here because the SQL carries the replace function. So I want to say $SQL, and then I think that's all for now. So let's save and see how this goes. Okay, let me just refresh this. Alright, so I think we forgot to delete this, so just ignore it. So this is the main string. Welcome to digital stream tutorial. This is the replace string, tutorial to digital stream tutorial. So this actually replaces welcome with tutorial. So that is how you can actually replace strings in a PHP. I don't know how much time, but I think we've come a long way. We've talked about so many string functions in PHP. I think we've almost rounded up with the string function in PHP. So in the next tutorial, we are going to be taking another topic in PHP. So ensure you stick to this tutorial. See you in the next episode of PHP Complicats tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It might actually means nothing to you, but it means a whole lot to me to encourage me make more videos, more tutorials in programming languages. Thank you. See you in the next coming tutorial.